Perfect for your fluted tube cakes, pound cakes and ring cakes that bake evenly and taste great. Heavy gauge aluminized steel that is commercial grade. USA pan baking pans feature Americoat, which promotes quick release of baked goods plus fast and easy cleanup. Wash with hot water, mild soap and gentle scrub brush or sponge. Nonstick Americoat coating. A patented silicone coating which is PTFE, PFOA and BPA free, provides quick and easy release of all baked goods and minimal easy cleanup. Do not exceed 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Every USA pan has a limited lifetime, made in the USA from globally sourced materials. USA Pan is a Bundy family company which has proudly manufactured high-quality bakeware and provided jobs in the USA for over 50 years. Top reviews from the United States. Nothing sticks to these. I have some USA bread pans that I dearly love since the loaves slide right out of the pan and never stick. My mom a few months ago had asked if I could recommend a bundt pan as hers was wearing out. I recommended and sent her a USA bundt pan, based on my experience with my beloved bread pans. Just got my own bundt pan for a cake I was making for a potluck and was not disappointed. My other bundt pans are notorious for sticking no matter how well I grease or flour them, leaving chunks missing when I try to pop them out. My cake slipped out perfectly this time with not a crumb missing from the top. Honestly, I don't know what these things are lined with, but nothing sticks to it. Worth every penny.